Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue in figure of speeches. Last day we have seen about the figure of speech, simile and metaphor. Now let us continue in figure of speech. Number 3, antithesis. So this is the one of the figure of speech. Now see here antithesis. Speaking opposite words are placed side by side in a single statement. For example, man proposes, God disposes. This is the antithesis. Which it is very easy to understand, to recognize the figure of speech in the poetry section, because what is mean to antithesis means that way speaking opposite words are placed side by side in a single statement. For example, man proposes, God disposes. So, antithesis means that opposite words side by side. It is coming in the sentence in the poetry section. So, then we can identify that is a antithesis figure of speech. It's very easy to understand. For example, another example is there: speech is silver but silence is golden. Speech is silver but silence is golden. So, these are the antithesis words. These are the opposite words coming one after another in a single statement. So then we can recognize, then we can identify that is the antithesis figure of speech. Now see here, it is very easy to keep in mind that antithesis, and that question can be asked for 2 marks in a poetry section. Number 4, interrogation. It is one type of the the figure of speech, interrogation. So interrogation very well. When we can see the question mark, after the end of the sentence, then we can easily understand. So that is what is the figure of speech? Interrogation. Because it is a simple way to recognize that is means the interrogation. Here a rhetorical question is asked not for the answer but for the better poetic effect. So when the poet asks the question in the stanza, means it is not for the answer. It is asked not for the answer, but for the better poetic effect. So it is not for the answer, but we can see the question in the poetry section in the stanza. So then we can say, so this is a interrogation figure of speech. So antithesis, it is very easy. The opposite words coming side by side in a sentence, one after another in a sentence, and then we can say the antithesis. But interrogation also is very easy. We can say that is the interrogation when we see the question mark in the stanza, means after the end of the sentence, then we can say it is a interrogation figure of speech. Means here a rhetorical question is asked. Rhetorical question is asked not for the answer but for the better poetic effect. For example, shall I be wasting time like this? Shall I be wasting time like this? So this question is asked in the poetry section. Means this question is asked not for the answer but for better poetic effect. As we can say, end of the sentence, end of the statement, there is a question mark, and then it is very easy to identify that is means the interrogation figure of speech. So this is a interrogation about the interrogation. Now let us see explanation. Explanation figure of speech. Here the exclamatory form is used to grow greater attention and for better poetic effect. Strong feeling of anger, joy or disgust is expressed by the poet. Like see the explanation, when we see the exclamatory marks end of the statement, then we can identify that is the explanation figure of speech. Now see here, means the explanatory form is used to grow greater attention and for better poetic effect. Strong feeling of anger, joy or disgust is expressed from the sentence and end of the sentence there is a question, there is a exclamatory mark. So it is a sign to identify the exclamation figure of speech. For example, water panoramic view, water panoramic view, exclamatory marks. So this is the sign to identify that figure of speech of explanation, because end of the statement, end of the sentence, end of the each line of the poem, there is a exclamatory marks. So exclamatory marks. So then we can say that is the explanation figure of speech. So these are the three figure of speech today we are learning here, and this is interrogation and explanations. So these three of them are very easy to identify the figure of speeches in the poetry section. Antithesis, sticking opposite words are placed side by side in a single statement. It is called an antithesis figure of speech. Number 2, interrogation. Here a rhetorical question is asked, not for the answer but for the better poetic effect. And we can see end of the statement there is a question mark. For example, shall I be wasting time like this? Question mark. This question is asked not for the answer but for the better poetic effect. And last one is here today, explanation. Explanation, here the explanatory form is used to grow greater attention and for better poetic effect. So it is also very easy to identify the figure of speech. Explanation means strong feeling of anger, joy or disgust is expressed by the poet in the poem, in the poetry section. And so for example, water panoramic view, exclamatory marks. It is sign to identify the explanation figure of speech, exclamatory marks. So these are the three figure of speeches today we have learned, and next we will continue the figure of speeches. Thank you.